Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese in easy and funny way. I am Abdurrahman, and before start the class, end of the video, don't forget to solve these problems on cards, and there I will ask the characters meaning and their tones. So it's important for you to practice the characters meaning. Okay, and here we don't have pinyin and tones, so as we always do, we should write the tones on the characters first. And in this way, we learn the tones very well. Here, 大夫, 大夫, 大 is fourth tone. And first I will read, so you try to find which tone has these characters. Okay, here, 我, I think you all know 我 tones. Here, 心 fourth tone. 将 first tone. And 那个大夫 na fourth tone. 个 fourth tone. 大夫 we already wrote it. 大夫那个大夫他 first tone. 信 fourth tone. 礼 third tone. 他 first tone. 是 fourth tone. 他 first tone. 是 we already wrote it. 我妹妹 fourth tone, and the other character doesn't have tone. Here, 他 we already wrote that. 他叫 fourth tone. 晶晶 first tone. 晶晶 okay. First, translate this dialogue and try to find these blank places. Here, 大夫 means doctor, and we shall ask a question to doctor. So, doctor answer like this: 我姓张. My surname is Zhang. So, if his answer like this, we should ask, what's your surname? What's your surname? My surname is Zhang. So how can we ask, what's your surname? Try to find it, and I am writing here. Ni, because here answer 我, so we should ask 你 姓什么? What's your surname? 你姓什么? 你姓什么? What is your surname? And 我姓张. My surname is Zhang. 哪个大夫? That doctor. And we ask a question about that doctor. So look at the answer. 他姓李. So here, look at the subject. 他. So that doctor is a male. So here we use 他, he. 姓李. So his surname is Li. So we should ask a question like, what is that doctor's surname? What is that doctor's surname? So how can we ask this question in Chinese? 哪个大夫姓什么? Xing. 什么? 哪个大夫姓什么? What is that doctor's surname. What is that doctor's surname? Ta Xing Li. Ta Xing Li. His surname is Li. Okay, first dialogue like this. And look at the second dialogue. Ta and she. We should ask a question to her. So she answered like, sure, yes. 她是我妹妹. So here we say sure. And I say to you, if there is an yes/no question, and we should answer, and we should make a short answer like by using the question's verb. For example, if I ask you, "你来吗?" Do you come? So you can answer like "来" or "不来." So you can use the verb in my question. The verb in my question is "来." "来" is second one. So here, if we use she, so she must be in our question, right? Okay, note this. And read here. 她是我妹妹. She is my sister. She is my sister. So we should ask, is she your sister? Right? Is she your sister? We should make yes/no question here. So we should use ma end of the question. Okay. 她是here answer 我妹妹. So we should ask your sister. So 你妹妹吗？她是你妹妹吗？她是你妹妹吗？ And here 你 should be half third one. 你妹妹吗？ Is she your sister? Sure, yes. 她是我妹妹. She is my sister. And look at here. 她 again we should ask a question to her. And she answer like 她叫晶晶. 她叫晶晶. Her name is Jingjing. Her name is Jingjing. So we should ask, what's her name, right? What's her name? So how can we ask? For example, what's your name? How can we ask in Chinese? 你叫什么名字? Right? So we make a sentence like 他叫什么名字? 他叫 second one 什么 and 名字他叫什么名字? 她叫什么名字? What's her name? What's her name? And we don't have to write 名字. 她叫什么 means also what's her name. So if you want, you can add 名字. And I recommend you write 名字 too. Because if you write characters so much, it's better than to learn characters. And she answered 她叫晶晶. Her name is Jingjing. Okay, in this dialogue, actually we learned all these characters before, and in this exercise also we are practicing what we learned before. So if you have anything you don't remember, you don't understand, please write on comment section, and I will answer all of them. And don't forget solve the questions on cards, and they will help you to remember the character's meaning. And I think there is nothing I didn't mention. And thanks for watching. See you next video, guys. I love you.